Today we're going to talk about how to tune your guitar. First, you need a guitar. Got a guitar? Check. Next, we need to learn the names of the strings. Now there are 6 strings on the guitar. Their names are E, A, D, G, B, and E. Now when you're starting out, it can be tough to remember the names of all the strings. So it's helpful to use a phrase or a mnemonic device to help you remember. Here's an easy one to get started. Elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Now the first letter of each word in the phrase represents the name of each string. For example, elephant represents the low E string. And is the A string. Donkeys stands for the D string. Grow is the G string. Big represents the B string. And finally, ears stands for the high E string. So once again, elephant E and A, donkeys D, grow G, big B, and ears high E. So once you've got that down, we'll jump into how to tune the guitar. So your guitar has tuners here up on the headstock to change the pitch of each string. So wind a tuner in one direction and it makes the pitch go down. You wind it up in the other direction, it makes the pitch go up. Now, to get the exact right pitch, you can use a few different devices. You could use a standalone tuner like the one I have here, or you could use an app on your phone or iPad or tablet or computer. There's a bunch of different ways. So I'll show you here on my iPhone how I use a tuner app. We'll use the GuitarTuna app. Click on there, and there it brings up the guitar for me. So let's turn on the other camera here to give you a close-up. So we'll go through each of the strings. So we'll start out on the low E string. So that's this one right here. And we'll just follow it all the way here to the end of the guitar to this tuner right here. Low E's connected to this one. So when we pick the note, we'll see, oh, that one's way off. So let's tune it up. There we go. We're getting closer. You can see there on the screen it says to tune up. Getting close. There we go, we got the check mark. Good job. And so when you see those numbers on the screen, the -3, the -7, the +18, that shows you how far away you are from the correct pitch. So you see a -2, -3, tells you to tune up. There we got our check mark. I find that even if you can't quite land on the check mark, if you are within 3 degrees one way or the other, so 1, 2, or 3 with a plus or a minus, you're going to be pretty close. And so that's a good thing to aim for. And now, just like we got the low E tuned, let's move ahead to our next string. So we have the A string. follow it down here, all the way down. And we've got the A string. So we'll pick that one. And we're a little bit off. Getting close. And now you wanna pick it the way that you're going to play it. So sometimes people they'll tune their guitars really, really soft, but then they'll play a lot louder, and it's not quite in tune with the way that they're playing it. So you want to make sure that you're picking the string the way that you're going to be playing it. So just give it a nice, good pick when you pick. We're close, close, close. There we go. Oh, almost. Got our check mark. Nice. So let's go to the D string. So elephants and donkeys, D string. Follow it down to this tuner right here. We'll pick it. We'll tune it up. And now we went past the check mark and into plus territory. And what I recommend here, if you are just a little bit above the pitch that you're aiming for, your guitar will stay in tune better if you drop down just below the check mark and work your way back up. So I could just go down, and there's our check mark, but that's going to go out of tune a little bit quicker than if we go down below the pitch a little bit and work our way up. Nice, there's our check mark. So next we have our G string. Here it is right here. We'll follow it down, all the way down to this tuner right here. Now on my guitar it's on the other side of the headstock. Yours it might be on the same side, and that's okay. Just make sure that you're tuning to the right tuner for the right string. So let's go ahead and strum, pick, just a little bit off. There we go. We got our, well, a little bit below. There's our check mark. All right, 2 more to go. So follow this B string all the way down, and play that one. It's this tuner right here, just a little bit below. There's our check mark. And then finally, elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Here's our high E string. We'll follow it down, down, down to this tuner right here. A little bit off. Here's our tune up. Great, there's our check mark. And now, when I get through all 6 strings, I just like to go back through, double check one more time to make sure that I'm as close as I can get it. So here's low E. Here's A. Here's D. Here's G. Here's B. here's high E. And there you have it, easy peasy. That's how you tune a guitar.